China is reaching for the stars. The country has set its sights on landing astronauts on the moon by 2030. This ambitious goal is a testament to China's growing technological prowess. It also signals their commitment to becoming a leading force in space exploration. China's space program has made remarkable progress in recent years. They have launched astronauts into orbit. They have sent probes to the moon and Mars. Now they are preparing for their most daring mission yet, sending humans to the lunar surface. This endeavor is about more than just planting a flag on the moon. China aims to establish a permanent lunar research station. This outpost will serve as a base for scientific exploration and resource development. The mission promises to significantly advance our understanding of the moon and its potential. The world is watching as China embarks on this historic journey. The 2030 moon landing is poised to be a defining moment in space exploration. It will solidify China's place among the spacefaring nations and inspire generations to come. China's lunar ambitions require highly skilled and dedicated individuals. Enter the Taikonauts, China's elite astronauts. To prepare for the 2030 mission, China has initiated a rigorous selection process for a new generation of these space explorers. The search for astronaut candidates is nationwide. It targets individuals with exceptional physical and mental capabilities. Pilots, engineers, and scientists undergo a battery of demanding tests. These assessments evaluate their ability to withstand the rigors of space travel. The selection process is highly competitive. Only the most qualified candidates earn the prestigious title of Taikonaut. Those chosen embark on an intensive training program. This program prepares them for the challenges of living and working on the moon. Preparing for a lunar mission demands replicating the unique conditions of the moon. Taikonauts undergo rigorous training in specialized facilities. These facilities simulate the lunar environment. One crucial aspect of training is adapting to reduced gravity. Taikonauts spend hours in centrifuges. These machines simulate the G-forces experienced during launch and landing. They also practice moonwalks in simulators. These simulators recreate the moon's lower gravity. Another critical element is learning to work with advanced spacesuits. These suits provide life support and protection from the harsh lunar environment. Taikonauts train extensively in these suits. This prepares them for the challenges of conducting experiments and exploring the lunar surface. The 2030 moon landing hinges on cutting-edge technology. China is investing heavily in developing and refining the necessary spacecraft and equipment. A key component is the Long March 9 rocket. This super-heavy lift-launch vehicle will carry the Taikonauts and their equipment into space. The Long March 9 is a testament to China's growing capabilities in rocketry. Equally important is the development of a lunar lander. This spacecraft will transport the Taikonauts from lunar orbit to the surface of the moon. The lander needs to be capable of a safe and precise touchdown in the challenging lunar terrain. China is also developing advanced lunar rovers. These rovers will enable the Taikonauts to explore a wider area around their landing site. The rovers will be equipped with scientific instruments for conducting experiments and collecting data. Section 5. Scientific Exploration Unveiling the Moon's Secrets. The 2030 moon mission presents a unique opportunity for scientific discovery. China aims to conduct a range of experiments and observations. These activities will enhance our understanding of the moon's formation, composition, and potential resources. One key objective is to study the lunar regolith. This is the layer of loose, unconsolidated material covering the moon's bedrock. Analyzing the regolith can provide insights into the moon's geological history and the bombardment it has endured over billions of years. Another scientific goal is to search for water ice. Scientists believe that water ice may be present in permanently shadowed craters at the lunar poles. Water ice on the moon would be a valuable resource for future lunar missions. It could be used for drinking water, oxygen production, and even rocket fuel. China also plans to deploy a radio telescope on the far side of the moon. This telescope would be shielded from Earth's radio interference, allowing astronomers to observe the universe in unprecedented detail. Section 6. Global Impact. A new era of space cooperation. China's 2030 moon landing has the potential to usher in a new era of international collaboration in space. China has expressed openness to cooperating with other countries on its lunar program. International partnerships could take many forms. Countries could contribute scientific instruments for the mission. They could share expertise in areas such as spacecraft design and mission operations. They could even send their own astronauts to participate in future lunar missions. Cooperation in space offers numerous benefits. It allows nations to pool their resources and expertise, which accelerates the pace of discovery. It also fosters diplomatic ties and promotes peaceful collaboration on a global scale. Section 7. Challenges and Opportunities, Navigating the Lunar Landscape. While the opportunities presented by the 2030 Moon mission are vast, so too are the challenges. Landing humans on the Moon and ensuring their safety is a complex and risky undertaking. One significant challenge is the lunar dust. This fine, abrasive dust can damage equipment and pose health risks to astronauts. Developing effective ways to mitigate the hazards of lunar dust is crucial for the success of long-term lunar missions. Another challenge is the extreme temperature variations on the Moon. Without an atmosphere to regulate temperature, the lunar surface experiences scorching daytime temperatures and frigid nighttime temperatures. Designing spacecraft and habitats that can withstand these extreme conditions is essential. Despite the challenges, the 2030 Moon mission also presents numerous opportunities. It has the potential to inspire a new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers. It could lead to technological advancements with applications here on Earth. And it could pave the way for future human missions to Mars and beyond. Section 8. Inspiring the Future, China's Space Program and the Next Generation. China's space program, with its ambitious goals and impressive achievements, serves as a source of inspiration for people around the world. The 2030 moon landing in particular has the power to ignite the imaginations of young people and encourage them to pursue careers in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM. To capitalize on this inspirational potential, China is investing in educational outreach programs. These programs aim to engage students at all levels and foster a passion for space exploration. Through interactive exhibits, workshops, and presentations by Taikonauts, these programs bring the wonders of space down to Earth. By showcasing the achievements of its space program and emphasizing the importance of STEM education, China is nurturing a new generation of innovators and problem solvers who will shape the future of space exploration and beyond. Section 9. Beyond the Moon, Mars, and Beyond. The 2030 moon landing is not the end goal, but rather a stepping stone in China's long-term space ambitions. China has set its sights on even more ambitious targets, including sending humans to Mars and establishing a permanent presence on the Red Planet. The experience gained from the lunar mission will prove invaluable as China prepares for these future endeavors. The technologies developed for the moon, such as heavy-lift rockets, advanced life support systems, and robust rovers, will serve as a foundation for future missions to Mars. China's long-term vision for space exploration extends beyond Mars. The country is also exploring the possibility of sending robotic missions to the outer solar system, studying asteroids for resource potential, and even searching for signs of life beyond Earth. Section 10. Conclusion. A giant leap for humankind. China's 2030 moon landing is a bold and ambitious undertaking that has the potential to reshape the landscape of space exploration. This mission represents a significant step forward for China's space program and a testament to the country's technological prowess and determination. As China prepares to plant its flag on the lunar surface, the world watches with anticipation. The 2030 moon landing promises to be a historic event, not just for China, but for all of humanity. It has the power to inspire, to foster international cooperation, and to advance our understanding of the universe we inhabit. The journey to the moon is a challenging one, but the rewards are immense. By pushing the boundaries of human exploration and scientific discovery, China's 2030 moon landing has the potential to be a giant leap for humankind.
So hit that subscribe button, ring the bell for notifications, and let's turn the page on a new adventure together. Get ready to experience books like never before, only on VBook 360. Like, comment, and share to support the channel and keep the video magic alive. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, every video has a story, and every story deserves to be shared. See you in the next video.